Good morning, party people. I am still in the Seattle, Washington area. Yes, this is being recorded this morning. Still dark outside. Sun hadn't come up yet, but I just wanted you to know that I'm still here. Now, I contacted a few people late last night and in the wee hours of the morning to try to make a couple connections before I leave. There's been some arrangements for me to take care of some stuff and visit a place this weekend. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So if we don't get together probably before 2 o'clock, fear not. I have decided that I will double back to the Seattle, Washington area after this little meeting that I have set up for this weekend. So I'm gonna go down here. I'm gonna fix some things on the car. I'm going to regroup. I'm going to get through these messages. I promise you, if you haven't heard from me after you sent me a message, that's because I'm buried. That's okay. Most of the messages that I found last night that were buried in my text message string and stuff were people that I have not reached yet. So that's good. However, I need to dig through all these messages so I don't miss anybody. I don't want to miss helping somebody that has needs. Now, I don't mind missing a meet and greet a little bit. I don't even like missing meet and greets. But I surely don't want to miss somebody that needs me to help troubleshoot some issues on their car, fix some things they need a hand fixing, things like that. I don't want to miss you guys if I'm out here in the area. That's why I'm lingering around out here. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of this arrangements that I have already made that are waiting for me. Then I will regroup while I'm there, fix things on the car while I'm there. Then if I have missed helping somebody fix something, I will double back to the Seattle area. Now, if I just missed a meet and greet, I'm probably not going to come back 8 hours for a meet and greet, but I will come back 8 hours to help a person or two that needs some help. So that's where I'm at. Man, I had a great day yesterday with the lady with the S70. She actually introduced me to a couple people in her family. Had some good times with a meet and greet yesterday evening. Got things on her car fixed. I have a couple, like 3 or 4 people scheduled to take care of this morning and early afternoon, and then I will go to the next town and spend some time there, get some things fixed in the car. There's stuff, I hadn't had time to put spark plug wires on my car. I don't know if it needs them, probably does. I hadn't had time to pull the timing belt cover and look at that timing belt. I'm gonna do that before I hit the road, because if that timing belt looks horrible, I'm gonna have to put a timing belt on that car before I even break this city. So that's where I'm at. Supposed to be chilly but dry the next few days. Again, if you're in the Seattle area and you sent me a message and I haven't got back with you, it's not because I'm ignoring you. It's because I have so many messages I didn't make it through them. So go ahead, resend me a message, recall if we're supposed to be getting together for a meet and greet, or we're supposed to be getting together to help you diagnose them, or we're supposed to be getting together to have me help you fix them in your car. I'm all in. I'm out here, and that goes the same for people in Oregon, for people in California, for people in Arizona, for people in New Mexico, for people in lower Nevada, for people all the way across the country. So give me a call. Hopefully we can connect and I can help you. Hope you enjoy today's clips and videos. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert. That's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you could click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Here I am, getting with it in the Seattle area. Checking out a pick and pull. Here I am, folks, looking for rows 16 and 18. Got a couple of 850s out here, boy. Uh-oh, I see an S60 already. From what I heard from Jonathan, he's hit these cars already, so he said don't expect to get nothing unless you're just looking for bones. All the meat's gone. Gone. So, let me look at my sheet. I think one's on 18, and let me see where the other one is. I done forgot already. I gotta pay attention. 12 and 18. Whoop, whoop. Oh, man, that one's got a VIP tag. That is 60. See what it says on there. Wow, it's VIP. 2.4T. I don't know why it's VIP. Maybe because somebody hit it with a hand grenade. That might be why. Alright, 12 is one of them. Man, this looks like a 93. 93 850. Boys. Boys. Look at there. Ah, still got a turn signal lens left on there. How about that? Got those NA cams, buddy. Engine's still intact. Somebody's hiding parts under here. Got those NA cams. Got those special seats. Dash pad's halfway decent. Somebody need any parts out of this car, let me know. It ain't the best, but it's better than some. Better than some. Man, somebody fixed this seat, man. They couldn't, must have been colorblind like me. Yes, sir. It's got an ECC in it. Oh, somebody told me they needed the rear seat belts out of this car. Ugh. Let's see if they're still here. Yep, they are. Let me go ahead and pull them for them. A 93 and a 95. My favorite color, 95. Has some sack struts on it. Must have been manual, baby. This stuff is gone. Gone. Look at there. Cracked tail light, busted tail light. Look like you got a good antenna. Antenna's down and low. Man, these cars are in here kind of tight. Yeah. That thing's sucked dry, baby. Sucked dry. Radio code's still in there. Yep, 95 model. Built 1194. Somebody dropped the axle right there. Heck, I should take that from my car. Do. Everything's gone, baby. Everything. Man, that serpentine belt looks thin. Let me go ahead and get what I need. Look's got a brand new starter here. See if I get this block off plate off of here. That thing looks like it's buried, but let's try. Ah, that one's nice and milky. We can guess why that car is out here. 2 turbo cooling line block off plates. So one I'm shipping to New York. The other one is available if somebody needs it. Heck, I might hold on to that because I might need it before this trip's over. Yeah, I'm going to hold on to that one. So I'd have to get back home to my other ones if somebody needs ones. But man, look at this roof trim. Looks beautiful. Beautiful. Those hinges are beautiful too. I probably should grab those. The hood's probably around here somewhere. Maybe not destroyed, but heck, somebody might have bought the hood, took it off with them. But that hinge is a little bit bent. Not really. Yeah, these hinges are good. I should probably grab those for my new ride. And you got the OBD box tool here. It still has the jump wire intact on it. So did the other one, 93. So Man, there's a little bit of bones left out here. They didn't take all the bones. A little bit of meat on the bones, or at least some skin with some flavoring. Let me get to work. I gotta go fix my seats. I was thinking about taking this box and fixing the one on my new ride, but heck, that one's broke too. One more car out here I could check out, maybe pick off road 10. Let me go back down to road 10 and see what's going on. And get out of here, man, because I got stuff to do. Alright guys, when you folks are taking the manual shift parts, you're leaving this. You need this. So unscrew it, whatever you got to do. This one is not even damaged at all. So take this or cut this off so you get this piece. You need this piece when you do your manual conversion to snap your boot in. So stop leaving that behind. Also, I know this is a lazy man's feature, but if you want the auto down function on your passenger window, take this relay and some wiring too, so you can do the mod to make your passenger side auto down. Oh, this thing too, this bucket, extra deep on the NA cars, the manual cars. You want to grab that too. I'm going to take this one and take this trim piece with me, for those of you that need it, or if I need it in the future. 2.5 all-wheel drive S60. Man, that looks like a brand new headlight compared to what you see over here. Somebody needs to come out here and get this thing. And it's got the nice lip on the front of the bumper. Looks like it's popped loose but not destroyed. That'd be something nice to put on the front of one of them S60R bumpers, or S60 bumpers as well. Hard shifting, transmission code, and pond water. That stuff looks like oil instead of dang transmission fluid. So I'm dropping 3.5 quarts. Gonna put 3.5 quarts back in. Horrible. Not too much crud on the magnet. That's good. I remember Panther had a mound of felt material on that thing. And there we are, folks, all cleaned off. That's how it's supposed to look. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.